Pack the car with dreams and dust. No need for plans, no need for fuss. The roads are mapped, the stars are guide. Chasing whispers where the hills collide. Mountain rise and the lights shine. No clocks, no lines, just borrowed time. Feet in the grass, hearts unconfined. Kissing the sky at the edge of the pine. The wind, it hums a secret tune. We'll howl along under the moon. Fields of heather paint the ground. Every turn's a new world found. Mountains rise and the lights shine. No clocks, no lines, just borrowed time. Feet in the grass, hearts unconfined. Kissing the sky at the edge of the pine. No tether, no chain, just the open air. The highlands hold what's rare and fair. We're not lost, we're simply free. The world above, and this the key. Mountain rise and the lights shine. No clocks, no lines, just borrowed time. Feet in the grass, hearts unconfined. Kissing the sky at the edge of the pine.
So I'm back out in the Peak District. It's a little bit breezy, but not too bad. It's still nice and warm. Out in the van again. Loving it. Loving it, loving it, loving it. Yeah. I'm retired, so what? I ain't gonna work until I die. I mean, I joined army at 16, did 12 years. Worked in building industry. Engineering, all that bollocks, and I ain't gonna kill myself. Why should I? The last part of my life, I'm gonna bloody enjoy it. Of course I am. That's why I bought this one. Get out there and enjoy life. Right, thanks for watching, but this might be a long video or a short video, I don't know yet. So I've got a San Miguel and some mussels to put me on. I might be down at pub later, I don't know. That's the beauty of it, innit? I can do what the hell I want. Beautiful. Loving life. In Dublin's fair city, where the girls are so pretty, I first set my eyes on sweet Molly Malone. I've had a bit of a clean up in the van. It's not as mental as it was, but next few days that's going to be rammed again. There'll be shit all over. Love it. I love this little van. Got a little power bank as well. I've got solar panels, but that power bank is fucking amazing. Especially at summer, I'm making use of it, saving me leisure batteries. It'll run my fridge all night, even when there's no sun. Run it all day with no problem. Back at me normal haunt, and I have spied for September, end of September, elderberries. So I'll be making some elderberry, not elderberry wine, elderberry syrup, anti-flu fucking shit. So that'll be a video for later on in the autumn. Yeah, awesome. I got that full bush to myself there. Well, hey. Yeah, nice little spot here. I've just got behind the sheep, the sheep enclosure thing. I don't think they even use it. It's just a nice building to get behind out of wind. But it's not bad. It's come out lovely again. It was looking a bit overcast earlier, and it's bloody lovely again now. Awesome. So it's Thursday. I'm gonna stay till, you know, maybe at least Sunday, maybe even Monday. I don't know yet. See what happens. I've got more food in there that I could last a chipping lifetime in there. Right. I'll bring you back later. Yeah, a bit of bait and grill with some spring onion, paprika, cayenne pepper, salt, pepper. I'll turn that into a toasty. Looks bloody awesome, doesn't it? Oh, it smells gorgeous. And then I'm off down the pub then, yay! So you come out the farm and you've got the Yonder Man Cafe across the road, which is quite popular with bikers and that. A couple of farm dogs in here. And then literally just down the road you have got the free Staggs heads, the infamous, awesome pub. Oldie worldy pub. It's probably one of the most oldest pubs in England. It's right on a busy main road as well, to be honest, into Buxton. Yeah, free Staggs. Yeah. So you've seen plenty of my videos. That's how far it is from the gates of the farm. Right, back in the Free Shires, my normal home, and then I bumped into these retrobrates. Carnival, a club group, and their mate. Philippe. She's mental, but I love her to bits. New subscribers as well. So I think we ought to get these in Prince of Wales. What do you think? The new 60s, 70s music. We'll get them in. We'll get them in. Yeah. So back in bloody the madhouse. My second home. Cheers, guys. Morning. It's 5 o'clock. It's pretty chilly, but this is the sound you want to hear. Anybody with a campervan, motorhome, canal boat, etc. knows what that sound is. It's a diesel heater. Oh, bliss. I'm a right wimp. It's early August and I've got diesel heater on in the morning. I tell you what though, it makes a difference. Well, it's Friday morning. I had a bloody good night in pub last night. Met some crazy people. Probably me. Yeah, it was a random night. It turned out to be a good night. That was alright. Yeah. Didn't spend too much. It says. Yeah, so time for a brew, methinks, and get some brekkie on. Or this time brunch, I'd call it. Catch you in a bit. I'm watching the Ridge Monkey for brunch. Hey, let's have a look. Oh. Egg, bacon grill, cheese, omelette thing. I'm sure it'll go down lovely. Mug of coffee to wash it down with. Awesome. Catch you on the next one. We just come for a steady walk over the hills and far away from the campsite. I'm in a little village called Furlough, a duck pond, and most importantly there's a pub called the Bull's Head. We're going for a much deserved pint because it's absolutely baking. Right, so we've wandered up from campsite, which is behind me. We've been at pub, we're on our way back now. I was too knackered to film going because it were all uphill. At least it's down a long way back. Well, look at this beautiful day in Peak District. Just been to a gorgeous little pub. Absolutely lovely. So I'm going to head off back down to the camp. Maybe take us about half an hour or so. Nice to just break afternoon up and get out for a walk. A couple of nice refreshing pints in the local village pub. So literally the campsite's behind me. Right, catch you later. We got some cows in the field. Bit of a mixture, isn't there? Our vans are just behind that tree. So it's all downhill from here, thank goodness. Happy days. Now, been for a walk and that up to the pub at Furlough. Come back, Dave's got his shower tent out and there's some strange noises going on in there. It was checking about a bit. A nice little afternoon snack. Pizza, homemade. Well, it had cheese and pepperami on it. I've added extra cheese, spring onions, salt, pepper, garlic sauce. Did it on Ridge Monkey. Delish. Well, we've been down at pub. So it's a bit of night time cooking after the pub. Got a stew going. Dave's got some sort of curry concoction over his pad. This is what you do, innit? Get out, have a few sherbets, pre-make your food, get home, warm it up. Awesome. And that's a beef curry. You don't probably see it right. I've got my headlamp on anyway. I've got Sonny Jim. He's sniffing between me and Dave. See what we can get. Oh yeah. Happy days. It's quite a clear night as well. Oh yeah, you see, I'm moving my head torch about. See it morning. Time for some much needed admin, methinks. It's Sunday afternoon. It's all quiet. There's only me in field and an old fella down there. 90-year-old. Fair play to him. And he's got a tent. Awesome. I hope I'm like that when I'm 90. I think most 90-year-olds are dead or in a nursing home. So well done, lad. Awesome. Ex-merchant navy. He's got some stories. We sat talking to him in pub last night. Listened to him all night with stories he's got. Right. So yeah, ragging the van out completely. I've had all my bedding off, reading all my bedding. Still got a fair bit to do, but at least I've done my bedding. I'll sort all that crap out in there, sort all my tools out. Bloody box of spare bits, what you always need, or you might need. So yeah, gotta be done, gotta be done. Mine as well. Sure how my shower works later. And hopefully that jerry can will be nice and lukewarm. It was yesterday after as well. I come back and had a shower. Oh, what a bliss. So yeah, I'll carry on tidying up.